Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are going to continue working in our book on the trumpet with line 30, dreidel, dreidel. So we're going to start at the beginning with our treble clef on each line, and then we have our time signature. We are in 4/4 time. The top number tells us how many beats are in every measure. The bottom number gives us the value of the whole note, even if we don't have one. So we use that information to figure out the value of all the other notes and rests. So if we know that our whole note is worth 4, half of a whole is half of 4 is 2, so the half notes and the half rest get 2 beats. Then half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1, so the quarter notes and the squiggly quarter rests get 1 beat each. So we start at the beginning with open G on the second line, and then we have an E on the first line, which is first and second vowel, and we go back and forth on that pattern 3 times. G, E, G, E, G, E. Then beat 3 of measure 2 is a quarter rest. Beat 4 is another E, and that's a pickup or an anachrosis into the next measure. So pick up into the open Gs in measure 3. Then we have an F first valve, E first and second, and then the next measure we have a half note D first and third. Don't forget to kick out that third valve slide. And then a quarter rest on beat 3. Great place to breathe. That is also the end of that phrase. And then the next D on beat 4 is a pickup or anachrosis into the next line. So then we have F to D back and forth 3 times. On measure 6, beat 3, we have a quarter rest. Then beat 4 is another D. That is a pickup or anachrosis into the end. So we have open G, F, E, D, and then open C on a half note followed by a half rest. So the first 2 measures of line 1, we see the same pattern just down a step in line 2. And then, of course, we have some different things in the second half of each line. So we're going to start at the beginning. We're going to play through, starting each note with a t sound and letting the air sustain the sound for its full value. Breathe on the rests as you need to, and let's play along. And 1, 2, ready. And that's it for line 30, dreidel, dreidel on the trumpet. I hope you're able to keep up and play along. If you're able to do it faster, that's great. If you're not quite there and you need to slow it down or you need to do smaller sections, maybe one phrase at a time, that's fine too. You work at your pace and then speed up as you're able to. But I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.